Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Y'all, what's been happening? I am so lonesome for all of you guys. I hope everybody's doing good. I hope your families are good. And Thanksgiving is coming up. So y'all leave me in the comments, some comments in the comment section. And let me know how y'all what y'all planning on doing for Thanksgiving. Are y'all cooking, or are y'all going to other family, different family member, or what y'all doing? Let me know. As all of you guys know, we did have our Thanksgiving this weekend to spend it with my husband. And on another note, I'm so excited to tell y'all because my husband has been transferred back to Louisiana. So yeah, I'm so excited. So instead of taking 12 and a half hours to get home, like it's only 3 hours away. So I'm so excited. I'll be able to go up there and see him, and he'll be able to come when he has some downtime or whatever. It's gonna make a big difference because we just so lonesome for each other all the time, I mean, he's been doing that for 14 years. He's been working for the same company for 15 years, I think, or something like that. Anywho, yeah, a long time. So he's been in Texas for quite some time, 14 years, I believe. So it's time to come back. I'm hoping everything works out good because it's a blessing to have him here, in this state, period. So y'all, what's been happening with y'all? What y'all working on besides my event? What are y'all working on? How y'all been? What y'all been doing? How are y'all spending your Thanksgiving? Are y'all going to family members? Or y'all tell me, leave it in the comment section below. Where y'all going, what y'all doing, are y'all staying home cook, or y'all just chilling, or what are y'all doing? Yeah, I'm so excited to see y'all. It feels like forever I haven't done a video. Oh my god. Yeah, golly, y'all, it's been quite some time. So I have a Happy Mail package that I've been putting off to open it, because all the chaos, whatever. I had a lot to prepare for. And y'all, another thing, I got some diamond paintings, okay, from a PR diamond paintings from a PR company. Y'all, I don't even know where they come from. It doesn't say, obviously, on the address, return address, whatever. I'm just dumbfounded because I've been needing to do the video for it and I don't even know where they came from. I looked back in my email. I can't figure it out. I don't know what I missed, but I'm gonna go back over my email again slowly, one by one, all my emails, because I have a lot of PR packages coming in. I think it's from 7 different companies. So this time I wrote them down because, oh my God, it's too confusing to try to keep all that up. But today I have Happy Mail, and this is from one of my sisters. Her name is Brittany, no other than Brittany Bush. And I'm not going to show y'all the address or anything, but this is Brittany Bush. This is from Brittany. Brittany, what are you doing? I didn't know I was getting anything in the mail from you. I was so surprised. Oh my God. Yo, I was so surprised. I looked at this and I was like, wait, that's from Brittany. Brittany, thank you so much. You didn't have to send me anything. You do so much already. Thank you for everything you do, because you and Sam really helped me out a lot. I have a lot of people that really stepped forward and helped me, because y'all, I didn't know anything about anything when I first started this. All I knew how to do after I watched videos was diamond paint, okay? And I really like it. I really like the diamond paint. It helps my anxiety like so much. But I love to make videos, and I don't know why. I think it's because I'm a people person. Like, I'm so used to dealing with the public from my past job, that because I did it for a very long time, like 22 years, and or maybe even longer. But all I did all my life was deal with the public, and it's me, it's who I am, you know. So at first I was scared to make a video because I was scared to mess up. But if I mess up, oh well, I mess up, it's gonna be all right. It's not the end of the world, you know what I mean? It's okay. Move on to the next one. The next one may be better, but it may be not. Might not be. But anyway, so this package is from Brittany Bush, and thank you so much. I appreciate it. Let me see. I did open it, but I didn't look at it, y'all. No way. Y'all, look at this. Y'all know how I like sea turtles. And Brittany, I don't know what you thinking or how you think, but I really needed another one of these. I needed one. I needed one of these. Oh my God. I'm so glad I got this. You're a mind reader. You must be. Because this is cool. I needed this so bad. Because I do have a makeup bag, but I like to keep my face stuff separate from my makeup. So, because my makeup bag is like full. This is so cute. I love it. You know I love sea turtles. Thank you so much, Brittany. And I think they, oh, they do, wait, they have some stuff inside. Oh, y'all. No way. Brittany. Y'all. Y'all. Oh, no. This is too cute. Y'all know I'm a, okay. Y'all know I'm a big believer in sea turtle saving their lives, okay? It says, advice from a sea turtle. Look at this. Oh my God, y'all. Look how freaking cute. Okay, I hope y'all could see. Well, my shirt's like all up in the way, but I hope y'all can see this. It's so shiny, y'all probably can't, and I'm sorry. But it says advice from a sea turtle, and it's, I don't know, look how cute this is. Baby sea turtle is though. Just thinking cute. Look. Y'all, let me see if I can get this right. Okay. Look how cute that is. Y'all can't tell me this ain't cute. It says advice from, okay, it's hard to see. It's shiny. Advice from a sea turtle. Sometimes you'll have to dig yourself out of a hole. Always believe in yourself. Be fearless. Never forget where you came from. It's okay to take your time. Head to the water and swim like H-E-L-L. I don't want to say it. Y'all, that's so cute. Brittany, this is me too. Like, this is me. What it says is me. I love this. Brittany, thank you so much. I love it. I can't wait to put that on a keychain. Oh my God. And if I lose that, I will just absolutely freak out. That is so cute. I'm putting that on the keychain. I'm gonna have a bunch. These came with turtle stickers. Look at this, how cute. Y'all, I'm sticking this all over the place. Y'all hear me? I need to make like a sticker board or something for just stickers. Because just these stickers, don't sea turtles. I love stickers. Look how cute they are. Look how cute. These are so cute. I'm not even playing. I love them. Look. Y'all. These are cute, Brittany. Look, this one. See, I'm going to be putting a lot of these on my tables. That's what I do. I put them on, like, on those tables. Oh, look how cute. I guess I could give my grandkids a couple. You know, I gotta be fair about it because they like stickers. Oh, wait, my bad. These are so cute, Brittany. This one's like that one. Oh, look, this one, how cute. I love sea turtle. Y'all, I just think they're so cute. You can't go wrong. Look how cute. I need a diamond painting just of one big sea turtle in the sea, like in the middle, around in the ocean with some coral at the bottom. Somebody needs to draw that. Hold on, let me, oh yeah, I gotta tell y'all something. Look how cute. Y'all, these are so cute. They have so many, so I'm just gonna show, because they have a lot. Like I have a whole bunch. I'm gonna just quickly go through them, okay? Look how cute. I want some cute eyes. Look how big the eyes are. They're so cute. So cute. I love them. Some of them are duplicates, but most of them are not. Some of them are, though. Look how cute. It's yellow. I know I'm boring y'all with the sea turtles already, but you know, it's okay. Look how cute. I like that one. Oops, my bad. Y'all, look how cute. Y'all, they're so cute. Oh my gosh. Brittany, thank you so much. Oh, look, this one is pink. Okay, this is my favorite because y'all know I like pink. This is my favorite, my favorite, my favorite, my favorite, my favorite. Oh, I had to put that one off the side. Oh, it's so cute. Y'all, look how cute they are. This one's colorful. That's pretty. And let's see turtles. They're so cute. I love them. Y'all, I'm gonna be sticking them everywhere. Thank you, Brittany. I really appreciate that. She knows I like sea turtle. Let's see. Oh, forgot one. Here's another. Y'all, they so cute. I ain't playing. Oh, Brittany. Oh, wait, is this? No, this is, oh, hold on. Let me undo this. Let's open these. Is this another keychain? What is this? I wonder if I could hang this from, oh, no, it's a necklace. It's a necklace. See, I think it's a necklace, but the bottom part came off. But y'all know what I want to use it for? The bottom portion broke, but well, I always break everything. I swear. Good grief. I'm sorry, Britt. My husband's going to fix it. But this is a sea turtle. And, oh, look, it's 3D. Y'all, look how cute that is. Tell me that's not cute. Oh, look at it on this side. That's so cute. But what I want to use it for, because I just thought about it. I can never reach, my fan pulls. I want to put that in here on my fan pull. Brittany, I hope you don't mind, but that's what I want to use it for because I'm short. I can never reach. So I want to put this on here and use it for a fan pull in my craft room. That's what I want to do with it. I'm sorry, but I hope this does not offend you, Brittany, but I could see it all the time hanging from my fan to where I can pull my light and stuff because I can't reach. I can't reach. I'm too short. Y'all, I'm not lying. Brittany, I love it. Thank you so much. So much. I'm going to message you though. I'm so short, y'all. Oh my gosh. Brittany, I love my gifts. They're super awesome. All things that I can definitely use. I appreciate it so much. You taking your time to help me. And first of all, out of your day to help me that don't know how to do nothing ever. You and Sam always helping me and guiding me. Thank y'all for that. I really appreciate y'all for that. Because without y'all, like, I wouldn't be knowing nothing, okay? Because, you know, all right. There are other people that helps me as well. So, but you know, it's a long list, but y'all too showed me how to do all the stuff about how to, like, the event and everything. So y'all know what I'm talking about. Anywho, I'm putting these stickers in here so they don't get messed up, because I'm gonna hang that keychain. And this I want to put on my key ring, but I don't want it to get scratched, so I'm putting it right here for right now. So I really appreciate all these wonderful gifts, Brittany. You didn't have to do that. You have already done enough, obviously. Wait, I don't want to lose this. Put it in there so don't get lost. Y'all, I'm just saying, just thank you so much, Brittany. Like I said, I appreciate that very much. So I want to talk to a little bit about I just want to tell y'all something about my daughter, okay? If y'all see my Facebook post, what? No, Facebook post. Y'all, if y'all see, I can't even talk today. I'm not used to talking to y'all no more. I want to talk more. If y'all see my Facebook, God, I said it again, Facebook post today, which is November 14th. My daughter is an artist, okay? I don't know. That's the one that y'all keep asking me about, the wall back here. Well, she done this when she was really young, okay? Just so y'all know. She is going to be one of the artists for Rhinestone Rhinestone Goddess Creations that sells diamond paintings. She was accepted today as one of their new artists. So go Logan. Her name is Logan Page Leger, and she is my daughter, and she is an artist, and she's so good, y'all. I'm telling y'all, she's awesome. So y'all gonna have to go check her out when she sends Lauren her work. She will send Lauren her work, and which is Rhinestone Goddess Creations. And please support my daughter, y'all. Please support her. I hope you guys will go check out her artwork. She will be sending some in, and if there's not something that y'all like right away, just keep watching out for her artwork. Please support my daughter. That's all I ask. If you have not liked and subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. And I thank all of you guys so much for watching me. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. I didn't even look at my count lately because I haven't been that active. I'm sorry. Y'all know what's going on and everything. So I'm trying to get back up, watching all the videos and getting all. So now that my holiday is past and well, the Thanksgiving anyway, I am going to go start watching everybody's videos, because I love to see what y'all unboxing, y'all. And I love to see what y'all up to. I love to see what y'all working on. So thank y'all for watching my channel. And like I said, if you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, share it. Tell your friends to come subscribe, please. I'm trying to hit 1,000. Thank y'all all so much for watching, and y'all have a great week. Bye.